Hi, I am Shiro Kashiba. I am going to show how to crack and serve the Dungeness crab.
Here's the one. First of all, we have to take a head shell off, and like this way. Very easy to open. Okay. And second, we take those little guts inside of the shell and take this out. I don't need a little top of those two fins. I don't need this. And take all leg off from the main body. Take it like this way and put on here. And other grab like this way, right here. And this is a very important part that the very claw, we can take this out. Okay, here. And the body, now this is very difficult to take a meat out. So we have to cut in half body here. And one more way. I'm going to cut like this Dungeness crab here. And there are lots of meat inside here. Okay? And both sides, I'm going to cut this like this way. There are lots of meat. Okay? Look at this. Beautiful. Now, I'm going to start to crack the crab legs now. Okay. Now you may take a like this way, and only two separate portion, and this legs part you may take like this separate, and both legs same way we do. Okay, here, and this a claw, same way like this way. Okay, so from the one Dungeness crab, you can tell, you can see or separate how to separate the Dungeness crab. Now we have to take a shell off. First of all, just I show you one leg here. Take this end off and cut up just a little bit here and crack it. It's a very easy to take a meat out. Very easy. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. Same crack. Okay, take this off. Just crack. And the other side, cut just a little part of the legs. That's already perfect, easiest way to take a meat out. So I don't need any cracker. Look at this. And this triangle part, that's a pretty hard one. And take this off, cut, and cut. Perfect. The meat you can take out like this. You may eat right away. Okay. And there's a claw part. This is everybody do very hard, very difficult. But I cannot do completely perfectly. But I always, hit the shell, crack like this way. Then look at this. You can see beautiful meat inside. And take like this way. And have a big bite. You need a pretty heavy knife. That is very important. And just drop it. You don't have to smash it, just drop it. Then break the shell. Okay. And those are real legs, part of the legs, but I don't know, how do you say it? That kind of nail part. Okay? And this one we cannot take our all meat out. So cut the end part and push and cut and squeeze like a center and take the tip like a nail part. And I cut this, so you may use this and then you may take a meat out from this. So we don't use any waste. And the meat, this is everybody have a hard time to take a meat out. But I think I usually use the tip of a finger, I don't know, what do you call this? And here is they're very strong shell inside of body, and you take just inside the body here, and you may take the meat out to look at this. Lots of meat come out from body part. And sometime from the other side, you just push the meat out, and you may take to use this. That's a very important tool for us. I can see, you know. Okay, so one more part. I cut in half the body, but the other side, this is a tough. This is a real tough to take a meat out. Have to have a patience to take a meat off, you know. This is a tough. But this one, already almost 90% of meat from one Dungeness crab, we can take out. There are lots of meat. And now I'm going to show you we call crab miso, that inside of a shell. That's one of the most popular part for Japanese people. But if you're going to try it, then you're going to surprise this. And okay, this is inside the we call it crab miso, that the yellow part, and it's very tasty. And I put this in this dish. This is now I'm going to arrange the crab on the dish. I'm finished. First of all, take a head shell.